الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يؤوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم.
Allah. There is no God but He, the living, the self-subsisting eternal. No slumber can seize Him nor sleep. His are all things in the heavens and on earth. Who is there can intercede in His presence except as He permits? He knows what is before or after or behind them. Nor shall they compass any of His knowledge except as He wills. His throne extends over the heavens and the earth, and He feels no fatigue in guarding and preserving them, for He is the Most High, the Supreme. This passage talks about Tawheed, unity of Allah, monotheism, Tawheed, and highlights some of the major exclusive attributes, khususi sifat, of God. We learn that God is different from humans and other creations. As He lives on His own, He is self-subsisting and eternal khud ko qaim rakhne wala aur abdi. He is not ephemeral, transitory, temporary, like the created things. He knows everything. Our knowledge is limited. His majesty, uniqueness, knowledge and being are totally unlike other beings. There is none like Him in Surah 112. The most central theme in the surah is the throne, tucked Ayat UL-Kursi. The term implies matlab, the power and rule of Allah that extends over the heavens and the earth. Nothing lies outside it. Therefore He is the only one whose commands are executed, and who can make decisions about His creation as He has knowledge and power over all things. This passage presents the themes of God's self-existence and eternal nature by comparing Him to humans using basic attributes, for example, sleep, tiredness, and knowledge. These verses encourage the believing Muslims to think over and understand God in the light of such comparisons. Muslims grasp the exalted blonde nature of God and learn that it is very important to remember Him. Ayat UL-Kursi talks about the power of God. Muslims should take the shelter, panah, of this verse and use it as a prayer for protection. Shafazat ke liye dua. The Prophet declared, Elan, it to be one of the best passages of the Holy Quran. Muslims should therefore recite it daily for protection as well.